Bafana Bafana coach Hugo Broos has sparked debate in South African football by pointing the finger at alcohol, poor fitness, and lack of professionalism as key reasons why fewer local players are making their mark in Europe. The 73-year-old Belgian, who successfully guided South Africa to their first FIFA World Cup in 15 years, shared his candid observations in recent interview with Sunday World and said, "It's a professional attitude, and I know there is a little problem here, but now with all South African players, some love to drink their beer. I will say it like that. This is not professional. I am very sorry if you drink beer after you qualify for a World Cup. It is okay, but during the week, you need that attitude to perform. When you come to Europe, they do not accept that. When they see that you cannot adapt to that attitude, they kick you away." Brass didn't shy away from critiquing the fitness levels of some players and said in Europe it's not easy. There's a certain discipline and attitude required, and when you do not have it, you do not succeed. I was surprised the first time I saw overweight professional players. How can you get overweight and still perform at that level? Sometimes here they are one of the best players in the team, and I say that this is not possible. The coach argued that South African players need to embrace the professional habits that are standard in European leagues and said your job still goes on after training. It's not enough to just go to training and think things are done. There's a certain discipline and attitude you need. Reflecting on the progress of South African talent over the years, Bros compared the current crop to the 2010 World Cup team, which saw nearly a dozen players competing in Europe, and said maybe life here for players is sometimes too easy. Bros also highlighted the broader challenges of an overloaded fixture schedule and said it's not like in Europe. They do not have overloaded programs. Yes, they do. But to perform under such conditions, you need discipline and a professional attitude. Otherwise, it becomes too much. The veteran coach encouraged players to showcase their talent at the Africa Cup of Nations in Morocco this December and the World Cup next year, suggesting that consistent performance could be their ticket to European leagues. Looking ahead, Bros hinted that his long-time assistant Helman Kalele could take over the national team after his retirement following the World Cup. Under Bros, South Africa booked their World Cup spot in dramatic fashion, securing qualification on the final day of the group stage, a testament to his strategic vision and leadership. Now the onus is on the players to match his standards of professionalism if they hope to succeed on global stage. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.